I selected Silfab and ultimately the Silfab suite for my solar array was based on a lot of due diligence I'd done.
When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again.
In Ontario, solar arrays and all solar components are relatively new, so I wanted someone with a track record, and I found that Silfab, having 30 years worldwide experience, was quite valuable to me. The environmental aspect of their manufacturing is quite significant. I know that a very little amount of water is lost in any of the processes, and it's all managed within their factory.
When she comes to greet me, she is mercy at my feet.
The racking itself goes up very simply, and it has no permanent environmental aspect to it or negative issues associated with it.
Dogging her to grave to find a better land. She just smiled and laughed at me and took her blues back again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in the big hard world. Oh, there's a big hard sun beating on the big people.
The great thing from me as a consumer's perspective is that the product itself is installed by certified installers, and that in years to come, I believe, will pay back. The solution is quite cost effective. It's no more than any other, in fact in some ways quite less over the longer term because of reduced maintenance and other aspects to it.